everyone, my name is Linda, I'm Carrie's sister, and today I'm here to talk to you about flash drives, and specifically to investigate why there's such a wild price difference between flash drives that appear to otherwise be the same. For instance, this SanDisk 256 gigabyte flash drive currently sells on Amazon for between $65 and $68, depending on which day you check. Now look at this flash drive. This flash drive is also 256 gigabytes, but it sells on Amazon for less than half the price of the SanDisk. Which one would you buy? I've spent the last 3 days comparing one drive to the other, and as you can see, the SanDisk flash drive took 31 minutes and 56 seconds to fill to its capacity, while the Microcenter budget flash drive of the same capacity took 7 hours, 30 minutes, and 13 seconds. That's approximately 15 times longer. The write speed on the SanDisk 256 gig flash drive came in at 423.48 megabytes per second, while the Microcenter budget flash drive only wrote at 89.14 megabytes per second. If we are going to assume that these drives are equal in warranty and reliability, then all we're left with for the price difference is just a reflection of the value of your time. It appears the old adage is true. Time is money. On behalf of myself and Carrie, thank you for watching. And if you like what you've seen here, you can let us know by clicking the thumbs up button below this video. If you want to be alerted anytime we post new content, be sure to click that subscribe button. Once again, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye for now.